Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you three simple steps on how to fix icons are not showing on taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first method is that you need to navigate at the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on Task Manager. Once you have bring up the task manager, directly proceed at the left pane of that. You can see there a first option which is processes. So please click on processes and under the processes tab, here in the second row of the first row of the processes. It is in the second row of this window, however, it is in the first row of the processes. Here you need to locate with Windows Explorer. So it might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So by that, please scroll down and locate for it. So I can see it here. The moment you have find it, please do a right click and go with restart. At the moment you've restarted your Windows Explorer, your taskbar will be restarted as well. So once you have restarted it, check if your icons is not show are not showing this time on. Okay? If it's showing, then good. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second method. Okay, the second method would be you need to close this window. And by here, please proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. So here are the settings. Navigate at the left side of that and proceed with the option called personalization. And under the personalization tab, you need to scroll down and look with taskbar. So here at the taskbar, you need to proceed with the system tray icon. So there might be an icon here that you have turned off. Okay. So just turn it on the icon, on the specific icon that you would like to show at the Windows 11 taskbar, and you can also view the other system tray icons here, and you can turn on the icons that you would like to show here at the Windows taskbar. Okay? So the third method that you can do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this small window called Run. Here, please type for percentage up data percentaged. Once you are done typing, please click on OK. And in that moment, you would be navigated in this kind of window. So proceed at the upper center of the screen. You can see their app data. Please click on it. And eventually, you would be able to see a window like this. Where here, you need to proceed with local. Double tap to it. And under the local, please click on this view option at the top of that. Go with show and select on hidden items. And that way, you'll be able to reveal a database file which is icon cached. Now, please do a right click and go with this trash bin icon to delete it. Once you have deleted it, please navigate to this option again, which is view, go with show, and go with this one, uncheck it. Once you're good, close the window, navigate to the start icon, go with your power menu options, and click on restart. The moment you've restarted your computer, you will be able to fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.